Yo, what's up? What's up, my people? This Jay again, guys. So, as you asked me to analyze something different from gold, today let's check together Nasdaq. Um, Nasdaq is not for everyone, but today we're going to analyze this together. So we start from here. This 4 hours time frame. As you can see, Nasdaq has been buying, and this was key levels of buying and hold. But since this is gone, we're not gonna talk about this because this is not how traders do. If you see someone comes here and explain to you something that have happened, then you need to know that this one doesn't understand anything, because analyzing something that have been moved on is easy for everyone. Even you can tell people what happened because you can see this, but to tell people something that is coming on before it happened, then it requires enough knowledge. So as you can see, I draw this uptrend trend line. As you can see, normal is being broken here. It's been broken here. So now what we're looking for is what we can do with um, Nasdaq currently. So let's just go and draw this like this. Why are we drawing this like this? It's because um, we have this situation that happened here. You know, as you can see that this isn't yet been broken. This price haven't come down and break this level from all over the way there where I draw this supporter. So now we're going to look into what is happening here now. Since we're still above this trend line, we're going to look into what is happening there so we can know what we're gonna do. So since we still have 4 hours time frame here, what we're going to do is to jump on 1 hour time frame. We are looking for what we can do together. So here is 1 hour time frame. See? So as you can see, I explained everything that happened and why we are drawing this from flowers. And now this is another situation where we need to understand this, which means if you see this, all uptrends are gone. We are facing downtrend situation currently. But now I see something that is suspicious. According to zone, this zone is being retested so many times. And when zone gets retested 3 times, it means that that zone is difficult. So which means that the supporter is difficult for the sellers to break, you know. So now if it's difficult for the sellers to break, now we can see something that is coming from all over the way. This, we can hold on this. So now check this. Once this price reached this level, it went up and it's first breaks down, and when it comes back, it's failing complete to break this. So what is going on here? If I may say that I suspect a buy, can you blame me? Let's just go to terminate. Because for now, I can see that I'm not gonna sell. As far as I can see, I don't think that I'm going to say no. My next movement is going to buy. Why am I going to buy? Just check. We're still going there. We're still going there, guys. Just check this. If you can check this, you can see that price already is been tested this trend line to break it and is going back down. And as you can see, is trying to retest this supporter, previous supporter, because price once it breaks down, it went back up. It's going now to retest this, I can see a buy from here. Remember, this is 10-minute time frame. Myself, I can see a buy instead of a sell, you know. So to confirm this, let me just go to 15 minutes and see what the 15 minutes says about this, because I might be wrong, who knows? I may be wrong. So once you go to this area, you can see that it's still showing us the same thing. And as you can see, we still have this situation, which is a stronger support from all over that price haven't yet got a chance to break. Still struggling because you can see trend line is already been broken. This retracement is what we're waiting for now before we go up. So this 15 minutes that confirmed that we're going to buy. So in this case, where am I going to place my take profit? My take profit is going to be to this. I pressed it here because there is another candle above here. So before it reached that candle, because this candle can cause another pullback here, you know. So before it reaches that level, then I will be just out, you know. But then I may stay according to the market situation, because if we have 15 minutes, then we have to check what will be going on with 30 minutes and 1 hour in that time. But now we can just check and put our take profit on this level. So from here to this, we're gonna harvest enough pips. So now if I buy here, where am I going to press my stop losses? My let me mark my TP, and then where am I going to put my stop losses? My stop loss is not gonna go far, it's gonna go to this area. And my buying area is gonna happen now. I will buy it now. So from here, then I will just wait for it to go up, and then I will correct my pips, then I go. So my people, what we're going to do now is to just wait and see what is going to happen. So this will be the first TP, and then if market condition will be okay, then I will have to take second TP from here, and then from there we will see if we can have a third TP. And all of this is possible. So this is how my analysis is as we're talking. I have already now pressed the buy, Nasdaq buy. I have already bought Nasdaq. So let's wait and see what is going to be our result as. Yo, what's up, my people? This check again, guys. Here we come back to check our Nasdaq. What is going on with our Nasdaq? So, as we predicted our direction, you can see now what we have here. So, Nasdaq is not moving faster as it should be, but you can see we are almost reached our first take profit, which is this one. Our entries this, and our stop loss was here. Now this is our second take profit. So in this case, what we're going to do, we're gonna move our stop loss somewhere here, then we just put it here. Why am I putting this here? You may ask yourself why I chose to put this stop loss here. Let me explain so you may understand everything that I'm talking about. So now, if I can do this, let me do this, maybe you will see where my stop loss is here. So I am putting my stop loss there because there is this candle here. you know. Let me just put it this way. There's this candle here, you know. So now if you go this side, you realize there is another candle here that where price went up and stopped, then comes back here and we test it for a second time and went. You can see it was stronger to break here before it goes up and break up. So there's a reason why market has been acting like that, you know. So now I'm putting this stop loss here, so in case manipulation can happen and come back, it's not gonna break this candle, you know, before it reaches our stop loss here in my stop from this, then it goes back. I'm not saying that is gonna be like that, but I'm saying in case, just in case this happens, it can come back and it test previous candle instead of touching this one. So which means our stop loss will be still protected. So now what we're going to do is to move our stop loss there, and then we just hold our Nasdaq. As they said that if it reaches the first TP, then it will depend on market condition. As you can see, market is not moving that much. So but then I'm not ready to close it. I will just wait for it to reach for first target, and then from there I will know if I will have to close this or if I will have to wait until we reach a second TP, which is this. So I'm sure if Nasdaq will have a little bit movement, that it will reach there. So I think this is something everyone can see. You know, always remember, I'm always doing this, guys, to help you people who can analyze for themselves. I want you to learn something every day, so you can start to have a bigger picture of what is happening in the market. I'm sure in future also you'll be able to help others, you know. I understand that it's not everyone who can have that money to pay a mentor, and you want to learn. So this will be helping you slow by slow. Every day that I get a chance, I will be trying my best to teach you at least one thing or two. So it depends on your it depends on your head. If your brain is able to capture things in short time, then you can learn how to trade and you can be able to move on with your life. So let me just end my video here because we are avoiding to make it longer, which is not good. I'm gonna end it here so you can keep on monitoring it slow by slow from wherever you are, and the weekend is approaching. Let's have some cash that we will spend this weekend. I hope everyone has been making money the full week, the whole week. If you're not making money, then you don't have to give up. Just give yourself a hope that soon you'll be able to, unless if you quit. But if you will not, then your time is coming. Monday next week, we're going to start a challenge. The challenge that we call $10 to 1,000 challenge, where we challenge ourselves to grow $10 within 5 working days. Then within the week, we can reach that 1,000 from $10. Yes, you can have more than that, so you can give yourself a task of turning 100 to 10,000. It is possible. It's all about knowledge, focus, discipline, and fearless, you know. So let's meet next day. Then we start growing these accounts together. Myself, I will give you an example. I will be trading $10 or $15 accounts. Smallest account, not more than 20. It must be less than $20. Just to give you an example how we will grow this together. So get ready, join us early, then we can start together from Monday. Sharp, my guys. Enjoy your weekend. Jay loves you all.